ODI Productions.
I gotta feel this beat. I gotta make a brother jump out of his seat. Cause we gon' scam with this one. I could get a major record deal with this one. And by the time that I'm done, you won't want me in the fame. You gon' respect the boy's motherfucking name. And I ain't Lil Wayne, not Eminem. But I can see where you get that connect. Not to disrespect, but I'm a fully motivated, fully automatic lyrical connect. So what's your lyrical connect? Like yes, no, maybe. Don't just grab a bra, brother, grab a lady. So bright, it's so white like shady. I'm fast like Grady White, a Boston Whaler. I just lost my trailer. I'm a solo dolo, King Cudi Fandolo. I could rap, but sometimes I'd rather take a nap. I'm soon to be raps, Warren Sapp. Try and block me, now I'm sappy quarterback. Help up hip hop and brush off his back.
We go to sleep, we wake up the next day. It's a new day, it's a new day, and everybody say we okay. We go to sleep, we wake up the next day. Everybody say we gon' be okay. Man, we gon' be okay.
Yeah, I'm not changing this game. I'm just part of the big picture frame. Kanye is the chorus, Common be the words. Lupe got the rhythm, and Cudi is the beat. So I'm just trying to make my song complete. Sit down, make sure you earn that seat. Cause this is history, and history ain't ever gonna be free. These doors is locked and you forgot your key. And I'm not saying that I made this or know all about this. I'm saying when it comes to real hip-hop, you don't know what you miss. Cause some call men warriors of God, I call men slaves of the law. Like, did I really see what I just saw? IDK, by the way, who the fuck shot JFK? Welcome to America.
We go